The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the Government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 50-90% subsidy, with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application through the district administration, or contact your nearest block development officer (BDO).
Ka Sorkar jela kadang syong perkat ban Wanrah no dagaan ke ban Tehlakam Jingkynnoh beman ke bami ni Jingkynnoh Menshohnoh no Ksuid haga jela. Habakran ni kelap patai kubor ba Lyngdoh ulakran halo ka jingja badang shen hakle isnong sora hag bagi pulik le dai kelong gieng ne kipat bur bat le yo kemru khandai ngut kibriu. Uba Lyngdoh ulong bagade kam ke badan kam jing selok ke padang ketenat an bat ki Autonomous District Council. Uba Lyngdoh ula banjur bakam dai tang Sorkar jela Nriki Autonomous District Council ru gidan kebentah ke Wanrah kenekaan lingbagaan jong jela ni deki District Council hi ban pelong an persya ya kini kam.
See, this is a matter that the law department has to apply its mind, because on the one hand we have these various practices which are primordial, very ancient, and at the same time these are not in conformity with the rule of law, whether you talk of the spirit or the letter of the rule of law. Therefore, it is a very pertinent point. What we have noticed so far, though, is that the number of such cases has dwindled over the years, and we are confident that if the need arises for such a law to be in place, it is not only the state government, we also have the autonomous district councils, which also have law departments in those councils, and we will need a law which through consultation with the ADCs we can come up with a state law, or the ADCs themselves are in a position to legislate, and then through the state department, through the state government, get the governor's assent to such legislation. Well, if you recall the latest incident that had happened at Thlen, Sorkar, the police in fact acted swiftly, prevented an entire family and their neighbors, numbering around 30, from being lynched. And not only that, 9 perpetrators and instigators of that crime have already been arrested and booked under different sections of the law. That apart, immediately after the incident, the Social Welfare Department stepped in, rescued those families. We took care of them and ensured that they were under safe custody of the Department of Social Welfare. And I'm happy to share with you that it is only yesterday that these victims have gone back to their homes because they felt that now there is complete normalcy and they can return back to their village.